Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to our English class. I am Teacher Dipti. I hope you all have done your homework given to you in our previous class held on 16th July 2020. So, let's check the answers. Give rhyming words for dress. Come on, tell me, what is the rhyming word of dress? Yes, unless. Way. Yes, day. Worry. Yes, hurry. Before. Yes, floor. Sick. Yes, very good. Quick. Children, as we have already completed the poem Dress Quickly, let us revise it today. Let us quickly watch a video of the poem.
Dress quickly. All your life you'll have to dress every single day, unless you should happen to be sick. Why not learn to do it quick? Hang your clothes the proper way, so you'll find them fresh next day. Treat them with a little care. Fold them neatly on a chair. So, without a bit of worry, you can dress in quite a hurry. Think of the slovenly goops before you strewn your clothing on the floor.
In this poem, the poet Gillett Burgess talks about dressing quickly. He says that we all need to dress well every day, unless we are sick. Therefore, we must keep or hang our clothes properly, so that on the next day we can dress quickly without any worry. The poet also says that we should keep everything in its proper place. And before we scatter things here and there, we must think of the untidy and careless goops. In the module 1, we did an activity in which we saw some of the things that goops would do, like spitting on the roads, putting muddy footprints on the bed, pushing people, and so on. And we all know that doing all such things is bad manners. So today we will classify the sentences as good manners or bad manners. And if it's a good manner, it will get thumbs up. And if it is a bad manner, it will get thumbs down. So are you all ready? Good. Let's start. Speaking politely to someone. Come on, tell me whether it is a good manner or it is a bad manner. Yes, it is a good manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs up. Always be late. It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a bad manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs down. Children, You must always be punctual. You must complete your work on time. You must reach school on time. It will ensure that you don't miss any part of the lesson. Ever ready to help others? It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a good manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs up. Disobeying your elders. It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a bad manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs down. You must always obey your parents, teachers, and everyone. Obeying your elders is one way of giving them respect. Not greeting the guest. It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a bad manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs down. Children, imagine that you have gone to your uncle's house and nobody is greeting you or talking with you. How would you feel? You will feel bad, right? Same way, when someone comes at your place and you don't greet them, they will feel bad and disrespected. And that is not good, right, children? So next time, make sure that you greet your guest nicely. Saying please and thank you. It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a good manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs up. Use of foul language. It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a bad manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs down. Foul language means bad or abusive language. You must never make use of foul words or language, even if you are talking with your friends. Instead, you must always talk politely and make use of good words or language. Misbehaving at the dining table. It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a bad manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs down. Misbehaving at the dining table is very bad. It's like disrespecting your food. We must always keep our dining table clean. We should be always patient at the dining table. We should never fight and we should never talk with mouth full. Helping the family by doing your own work or simple household chores. It is a good manner or it is a bad manner? Yes, it is a good manner. So what should I give? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yes, thumbs up. I hope that you all have understood the message given by the poet that we must never become goofs. We must always have good manners. Always make use of the magic words like please, I'm sorry, excuse me, thank you, may I, and make life easier. That's it for today. For homework, please refer assignment 1. We will start with a new topic in our next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.